and the guidance by your family members and all the support staff. राजस्थान पत्रिका के बारे में ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम जनता के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और हमारा सामाजिक सरोकार आप लोगों से छिपा हुआ नहीं है। हम प्रत्येक गतिविधि, वो चाहे शिक्षण संस्थान की हो, सामाजिक गतिविधि हो, राजनीतिक गतिविधि हो, आर्थिक गतिविधि हो, आप तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं। इसी कड़ी में जब मुझे ज्ञानचंद जी साहब ने कहा कि आपको यहाँ पर गेस्ट बनना है, तो यह शब्द मेरे लिए बहुत भारी लगा, क्योंकि आई एम द यंगर आई थिंक ऑन द डैश and I don't know how to speak in front of large gathering, and I'm not a very good speaker also. Despite of that, I thought to speak some words so that my hesitation should come out, and I can share few words. This is the first annual day which I am going to be part of, because I never attended in my school days any annual day celebration. We always quit that function because I thought it took 4 hours for us to be seated there and clapping and clapping. But today it was a nice gesture to be in front of you. I have witnessed 2 or 3 cultural events, and I'm going to witness more also. So with this few word, I wish you all the success in your future, and thanks to the management committee. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Your support is always precious for us. May I request our guest, Shri Pukharaji Badola, to accord the words of welcome to the gathering.
भगवान महावीर के चरणों में वंदन। सम्मानित मंच, उपस्थित विद्यार्थी भाइयों बहनों, स्टाफ, मैं आप सभी को जय जयनंद करता हूँ। आज श्री गौतम चंद जैन हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल के वार्षिक उत्सव पर हमें बुलाकर यह अवसर दिया, उसके लिए मैं उनका आभार प्रदर्शित करता हूँ। बच्चों, आपकी स्कूल का ध्येय वाक्य जो है वो विद्या ददाति विनयम। तो विद्या का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण निष्कर्ष यही निकलता है कि जो जो विद्या बढ़ती है त्यों त्यों हमें विनय बढ़ना चाहिए। आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में हमें बच्चों से यही आशा करनी चाहिए कि वे हमारे राष्ट्र के प्रति सम्मान की भावना रखें, अपने आस पड़ोस के वातावरण को स्वच्छ रखने में अपना पूरा योगदान दें और जिन उद्देश्यों के लिए वे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं उसमें मन लगाकर पढ़ाई करें। मैं उनके प्रति मंगल कामना करता हूं और आज इस कार्यक्रम में हमें आमंत्रित किया उसके लिए आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देता हूं। जय हिंद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। I request the audience to please maintain silence. Thank you. May I request Secretary of Shri G.K. Jain Higher Secondary School, Shri Gyanchand Ji Kothari, to welcome the gathering.
To render the secretary report.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, a very good evening to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to extend a warm and cordial welcome to all of you. Fine evening to celebrate the 44th annual function of our Gautam Chand Kothari Jain Higher Secondary School. Our school was set up with the objective of providing best education to the children residing nearby Raipuram area, irrespective of religion. The school was established in the year 1960, which was periodically nourished by various donors, and today it has providing best education to the children through various academic, curricular activities, games, sports, etc. The management took special efforts in improving the school with modern techniques like smart class, English lab, SMS facility to parent about their school activities, CCTV cameras were set up in classrooms for monitoring students' behavior, biometric attendance facility for teachers, etc. Teachers are the pillar of the school. The management shows great respect and salute their hard work every year by appreciating their indispensable work to the school, by honoring them with Best Teacher Award every year and motivating them to perform the best. Our earnest endeavor is not only to pursue academic excellence but also to motivate and empower our students of lifelong learners. To appreciate their performance in the academic and non-academics, the Best Student Award also initiated by management to encourage the students. Therefore, as the school celebrates our 44th annual day today, let us hope and pray to the Almighty to give us patience, perseverance, and indomitable courage to work hard to achieve goal for the school. And I am sure it can be achieved with the support and cooperation of all the teachers, parents, and students. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is success. With these words, I would conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Look for the heights, aim at the highest, and you shall reach the highest. The earth is enjoyed by heroes. This is the unfailing truth. Be a hero always and say, I have no fear. Face the brutes. That is a lesson for life. Face the terrible. Face it boldly, and you will be a winner. You are born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and work hard to win. Awards represent achievements, and to an extent, you are a person should have desire, ambition, goals to reach your accomplishments to be victorious. Winners always keep moving, they leap to every failure into success. It is the time to bestow the winners of the academic. We have our school toppers, last year's 12th standard, Vivek Kumar Sharma from 12B. And Sonal Gurjar of 12A. May I request while we wait for the students, may I call upon Vishal Kumar Prajapati of 10th B and Kusum Lata of 10th A. Last academic year, 10th standard school topper. Vishal Kumar and Kusum Lata. General Proficiency 2015 and 16, Shalini Kumari of 6A. Yeah, Kusumlata of 10th A is 10th standard school topper. May I request Arvind Katrela ji to please award her. Shalini Kumari of 6A, Kishore of 6B, Pushpalata of 7A, Vidya R of 7B, Pranjal Rai of 8th A, Sakshi Kumari of 8th B,
On behalf of the school management staff and teachers, I welcome the media person who have come from Podigai channel, DD Podigai. Thank you very much, sir, for Shri Manoharan ji. Can you kindly come onto the stage? I'm happy that our school annual day program will be telecasted in the DD Podigai channel, and I request the guest of the day, Sri Siva Subramaniam ji, to honor him with a shawl. I request all the students to appreciate them with a great round of applause. Thank you very much, sir. A token of love is handed over by our correspondent. Vishal Kumar Prajapati has come onto the stage to receive his award for being topper in 10th standard, and I would request Sri Siva Subramaniam ji to hand over him the shield and the books meant for the child.
Sukriti Rai of 9A, Nandini of 9B, Akshaya of 11A, Zara of 11B1 and Komal Kumari of 11B2. Zara of 11B1. May I request Shri Vijay Raghavan ji. Next we have Akshaya of 11A. Akshaya of 11A. Shalini of 6A. May I call upon Shri Pukhraji Badola to give away the prizes. Shalini of 6A. Komal of 11B2, may I call upon Shri Arvind Katrela ji to give away the prizes. Komal Kumari of 11B2, Sukriti of 9A, Kishore of 6B, Kishore of 6B, Vidya of 7B, Thank you, sir. Thank you, children. Sir, ये topper है. Vivek Kumar Singh, Vivek Kumar Sharma, school topper. May I call upon Bhavarlal ji Oswal to give away the prizes. Pushpalata of 7A, children, you can clap. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. May I request the dignitaries to take down the places.